Hey, what's going on, guys? So here it is, Sunday. As an owner operator, as some of you know, some of you don't know, on Sundays you got to come mess with the truck. You got to go over it, make sure it's good to go for the week, so you ain't got to be messing around with it Monday morning come bright and early. But one of the things you got to do as an owner operator, besides take care of your truck, is protect yourself. So the best way to do that is a dash cam. So I got this dash cam here. The people over here at Pelsee sent it to me. They wanted me to test it out, give it a review, show it to you guys, let you know where you can get it from, etc., etc. So they sent me this dash cam and a hardwire kit. So this is going to protect me on the road. A lot of you guys are probably going to say, well, you got a camera in the truck. So yeah, the truck is mine, but the company I'm leased to put the camera in the truck. So that's theirs. I don't have access to it. So with this, I'll be able to have access and protection on my end. So further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing thrown in the truck. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing real quick. So it's a Starlit S3 Touch Smart Wi-Fi Dash Cam. So you got 4K front and 1080 rear camera. You got the Sony starvis sensors in it. It's touch screen. It's dual band Wi-Fi. It's got some safety alerts on it. It's full color night vision. It's got G sensors, built-in GPS, and a parking monitor. That's what it looks like there. Some of the stuff here, package includes the dash cam, obviously, the rear camera, the car charger adapter, the USB cable, the rear camera cable, the memory card, which is important, and user manual and installation instructions. So this is a starvis 2 model. And then over here we have the dash cam accessory kit. So this is going to be the hardwire kit. So this is going to come with one where you can just plug it in the cigarette lighter, and this is going to be where you hardwire it in. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what it looks like. Really nice packaging, by the way. You got your accessories. Start with that one. Now let's start with the dash cam. That's what we're here for. Okay, this is nice. This is nice and compact. Oh yeah, this is legit. It's very small. It's going to be discreet, out of the way, out of your vision. Whoops. Here's the rear camera that I'm assuming you mount on the side. It's got your USB. Okay, this is legit. There's the mic on the bottom, so it's got sound, and that's going to be your screen. Now let's take a look at the accessories, see what's in here. So it comes with a bunch of 3M clips for your wiring to hold it out of the way. Here's a suction cup to put it on your windshield. Obviously it's got to get mounted somehow. And here is your cigarette lighter, your power cords. It looks like a pretty good length. in there for you to run it where you need to run it. And then inside is your instructions with your memory card. Very nice packaging. This does not seem cheap or flimsy at all whatsoever. This seems to be pretty high quality. Giving you my, almost a nice catch, giving you my honest review and opinions on this thing. So I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna shoot it to you straight. All right, let's check out the Hardwire kit. See what's in here, what this is looking like. And you don't have to get the Hardwire kit to get this because it comes with everything you need. But if you're a perfectionist like myself and you want the wires all clean and run neat, then it's going to be a little bit more intricate. So it's obviously got some serious wiring going on here with some fuses and connectors. I don't know what's what yet, so I got to read the instructions. Yeah, there's a little bit going to it, so we'll see what's going on here. I might just throw it in with the cigarette lighter at first to get it tested out, then install this at a later date. Here's the hard wires for it. So you got multiple wires here, you got a lot going on. All right, let's throw this thing in the truck and see what it looks like powered up. All right guys, so I ran out of time the other night and I lost some daylight, so I wasn't able to fit everything in on that first section of the video, which is cool. It works out for you because I was able to test out cigarette lighter and install the Hardwire kit. So I've got pros and cons on both. You know, obviously not everybody is mechanically inclined, or maybe there's a female on here who doesn't have a man to install it for. So anybody, you know, I'm not taking anything from, even if it's a dude or an old man, whatever. You can just plug it into the cigarette lighter and it's gonna turn on and it's gonna start working right away. It's gonna do everything it's got to do, and it stays on. When you shut the vehicle off, it's still gonna stay powered. But when you use that way, you do not get the parking mode and the time-lapse mode. With the Hardwire kit, it is wired in all the way. You won't have excess wires anywhere, you know, if you run it properly. But the kit comes with fuse jumpers, so you're able to pull out a fuse if you don't have a spare slot. You know, you got to find your fuse panel. Some vehicles have spare spots, some don't. This one does, as I'm showing you right here. So if you don't have a spare spot, you pull out your fuse, put the fuse jumper in there, and then put your fuse back in there. It's got 2 slots for fuse, and then you just plug and play from there and run your wires. Luckily on this vehicle, I only had to remove the pillars to run the wires. Everything else I was able to tuck underneath the headliner and run it all the way to the camera. And then I was able to run the rear view camera all the way to the back of the truck. So it's almost pointless on this one because there's a trailer back there. But it's cool because the line of work I do, obviously you guys know I'm an end up. So it's good to have a rear view back there anyways. But I put it on my back window and you can still see some of the view between the trailer and the tractor, you know, of the road. So it works out for me good. I was gonna put it on the other side, sticking out this window facing this way, but the view was literally just straight that way and it didn't look good in my opinion. It would really serve no purpose. If it was angled, it would be good, but it didn't work. So this camera, out of the box, it's really high quality. So me personally, you know, I usually don't go for non-name brands. I usually shoot for the top name brand that's at the store and the top dollar. That's kind of how I roll. You know, this one I would have probably never picked it, and I would have never chose it, I would have never ordered it off Amazon. But you know, now that I've used it and I've seen it, you know, out of the box, it is really high quality. It's 4K, you know, crystal clear. So I'm gonna upload some of these videos here to this one, and it should maintain my 4K on my YouTube. And it's got color night vision, so that's the big pro on this dash cam. So you get full night vision. It's not going to be black and white, so that's a big plus. A lot of these dash cams don't have color night vision, so this one, you know, in my opinion, is pretty good. As you can see here, you know, I'm rolling down Dallas, and you can see this beautiful Dallas skyline. You know, you can see all the colors in here. But I will say on the rear camera is not color night vision. It's black and white. But the front one is the main one that you have to worry about. So that's a plus. So now that I have this one, you can kind of see how I have it cleaned up there. So I've got it, you know, installed in the truck perfect, just like I like it. I'm nice and meticulous. I got all the wires ran. The other camera's there. It doesn't look too off-centered. You know, everything's clean and tidy. This would make a perfect gift for your loved one, your spouse, a teenager, anybody in a vehicle, anybody in a big rig, especially everybody in a big rig. I recommend it even if you're a company driver, because like I said previously, your company, they won't give you the footage off of their dash cam if you ever need it. So you can get this and use a cigarette lighter if you're a company driver and put it in your tractor every single day when you get in and out, if you're slip seating or whatever. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. And on top of that, you can use it with the app. It's really simple. So basically you download the Pelsee app on your phone and you connect it to the camera. There's no off-site, you know, you can't live stream it, in other words. There's no live streaming on it. But when you're by the camera, you can connect it to your phone through the app, and you can view everything on the camera right on your phone, including a live view, you know, forward and backwards for you to see here. And it's pretty simple. You go down to the footage you want, click it, and it gives you the view of it. It's got your timestamp, your compass, your longitude and latitude, your map, your speed, everything on there that you would need, you know, in case an incident were to have happened. And it's all right there, and you click it and save it. And then when you're in the app, you can save it from the app to your phone and then upload it to, you know, YouTube, things like I'm doing right here for you guys. So with that being said, I know these people sent this to me, wanted me to test it and review it, and I'm shooting it to y'all straight. I'm giving y'all my honest opinion and thoughts about it. And I kind of wish I would have had a dash cam years before. So I'm kind of mad at the fact that I slept on it and I didn't get one before, but I 10 out of 10 recommend it. And I recommend this one, you know, so go ahead and click this link down below. You know, normally also I would never buy something from Amazon, you know, this expensive. And if you compare dash cams in the big box stores or truck stops, you're looking upwards of $400 to $500. You know, this one's $200. You know, it's 4K, color night vision. You got a rear camera. You got an app. I mean, it's everything you want and delivered to your doorstep. So I'm gonna drop a link to this down below. They are going to run a 5% discount code for anybody viewing here that orders one through their link from December 11th through December 14th. So you only got a few days to order one, but it's right before Christmas, so this would make the perfect holiday gift for your loved ones. They gave me a discount code. It's TMU3CUNQ. Tango Mike Umbrella 3 Charlie Umbrella November Q. What's Q? Quizno. But I'll put all the information down below and order yourself one of these dash cams so you can have yourself protected at all times. So I appreciate y'all tuning in this video, and I'll check y'all on the next one. Man, these people are staring at me crazy. What are you staring at? Nice. Yeah.
I was wondering, I saw the camera.
Yeah, I do trucking videos.
Oh, do you got like an Instagram or
YouTube?
TikTok? YouTube?
CruiseTube.
CruiseTube.
Yeah, my name's Cruz, like CRUZ, CruiseTube.
Alright, on YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Alright.
I got my Instagram linked on there, but I just post stories every now and then on Instagram. But you'll see it on there. It's on the description on my YouTube channel.
Do you have any videos posted?
Yeah, there's a bunch.
Oh shit. Oh, there you are, there you are.
Yeah, that's it. I'm monetizing everything.
Really?
Yeah. People sending me free shit. Like I'm doing a review right now on this dash cam I got.
Oh yeah?
So I'm gonna post that tomorrow. I gotta edit it all and stuff.
Yeah, I was right there and I was like, what the fuck? There's a tripod right there.
Yeah, it's weird, man. It still takes some getting used to, because people, you know, do stuff like this and you're like, whoa, what's going on? Like, roll up on you. And it's real like embarrassing.
Yeah, I do photography, so I understand that. Yeah. Well, it was nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, likewise.
Take it easy.
Thank you, you too. Alright, so like I was saying,